What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Tyler the Creator. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles through the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Along the top of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. Line that up on the right side. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's add the eye holes in the mask. We'll start from the inside of the eye. We'll draw a slightly larger circle, going out past the left side, across the bottom, and then back in. Go in the opposite direction on the right. Going out towards the right, come down, and then up. Let's move to the center of the head, draw a curve for the nose. We're going to come down, then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve, going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to go up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start with a curve, going across the top. Let's round out the inside, and then we'll taper that towards a point along the outside of the eyebrows. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. From the bottom of the nose, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across the mouth. In the center, curve the lip. We're going to go up and then down toward the left, and then the right. And we'll draw in the lower lip, coming down and then up. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to add in that strap. We'll start with a straight line, going down the side, go across the top and bottom, and we'll flatten that off. Let's go on top of the left strap. We're going to draw the edge of the mask. We're going to go up across the eyebrows, go out, and then down towards the right side. Now we're going to draw the edge of the hairline, starting back on the left, going up, go across, and then pull that down. Let's draw the bottom edge of the mask. We're going to start from the bottom of the strap, curve this down underneath the eye, and I want to go in between the nose and the mouth, bend this down, and then back up. And then underneath the mask, we're going to draw on the chin. Bend this down, underneath the mouth, and then back up. Now on top of the strap, we're going to draw the edge of the hair. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and go straight up towards the top to right about there. And do the same thing on the right. Going out and pull that up towards the same height. From the top, let's bend the hair. It's going to round this out, come in, and then down on top of the head. And we'll round out the top, going up and then down. Now underneath the straps, we're going to draw in the earlobes. We're going to curve this out, down, and then in towards the side of the mask. And I'll add a small circle on the bottom of the earlobes of the earrings. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar, starting over left, angle this down and in towards the middle, go up towards the right. Let's go to the center, draw the collar of the shirt coming down and out, and then we'll draw the knot of the tie, coming down and in towards the bottom, flatten that off, and then from the bottom corners of the knot, angle the tie, coming down and then out. Let's go to the side of the collar, angle this down and out, bend this down and then in towards that center point. Now we're going to go back up, angle this up and out, curve the collar going up and then in underneath the head. Let's move out and draw on the side of the body. From the outside of the collar, we're going to curve this out from the head and then down towards the hip. And then over on the right side, we're going to step down, draw that same curve coming down towards the bottom, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go to that center point in the collar, draw a straight line coming down. Let's add two large pockets, going in, From the inside of the pocket, curl this out and up, curl this down and then out. Now let's add that tassel on the left side. We're going to step over, curl this around, and then in. Now I'm going to move back to the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's go to the center of that curve, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, curve this down and up, go back to the center, go out towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, I'm going to curl the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and I'll just curl that back up towards the inside, going around the ankles. Now I want to go back up to the hips, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. And then along the bottom we're going to add a thick sole, so we want to take these curves, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hips, so right about here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, line it up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then bend this up around that bracket. From the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff with a curve from the thumb. We're going to go up and then out. Now I'm going to add those stripes across the cuff with 4 lines. I'm just going to curve this across and down. Add the second, third, and then the fourth. Now let's finish off by adding those straps going across the shoulder. Bend this out and then down, and then out towards the side of the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Tyler the Creator. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.